peace incarnate here, walking through the morning mist, blessing every creature's breath, keeping balance, life and death. My branches reach toward the sky, my waters flowed so pure and clean, until they came with fire and steel to tear apart my verdant screams.
I tried to show them grace, they chose to desecrate my mercy running through. Now vengeance will begin.
Watch as nature turns against you, feel the earth reclaim its due. All my kindness burns to ashes as I tear the world in two. I am fury, I am justice. Watch your kingdom fall from grace.
Rip into the forest floor, crushing all that stands before. Mankind's greed will be their end
As ancient powers now descend.
Watch your towers crack and fall. Hear the primal battle call. Roots will crush your concrete deep.
No more promises to keep.
Centuries of patience shattered in a day, when your machines began to tear my realm away. Now the price of progress comes at highest cost. Everything you build will soon be lost. Feel the tremors as I shake the ground. Watch your cities crumble, not a mercy found. Nature's vengeance swift and unrestrained, until the balance has been gained.
From guardian to destroyer now, witness stage final vow. All your pleas fall on deaf ears as I feed upon your fears. I am wrath, I am thus. Watch your world be seen transformed.
Through the ashes life will bloom, but humanity has sealed their doom. In my soil they'll find the rest, as nature claims what serves it best.